All right, so the wall's out. Now I gotta mark this out and cut this concrete. I was saying in my last video, I was gonna do 8 inches for the 8-inch block. I'm gonna do 10 inches, give myself some space. Get this knocked out of here. Gotta get this all put back together. I'll take these top plates out later. I just gotta get the block in so I can start the cure. Take that out later, because that's gonna be a problem too. They put so many nails. You gotta be careful ripping that out. You'll mangle the rafters up there. So I got my chalk line, 10 inches. Now I gotta slice it all the way down. Show you what I'm using. Had this blade for probably 10, 15 years. Still going strong. I'm not sponsored by DeWalt, but I'm just saying this is an excellent blade here. Put it on the circular saw and we'll get to getting. did what I could with the GoPro, but it's so hot out here, it just keeps shutting off. Here's my squiggly line. Be all right. Once I get the block in, I'll patch it. It'll be all right. All right, now I gotta bust the concrete out. Well, tomorrow's Thursday. I won't be here tomorrow. I got a doctor's appointment. I got to see the surgeon who did my, not the gallbladder, but did the hernia surgery. So hopefully I'll be back here on Friday, clean that mess up, and reveal that foundation block wall.